my name is Shreya and welcome back and welcome to Navratri. Now, Navratri is one of the most awaited festivals. So today I'm going to be creating 9 liner looks and I'm also going to be sharing my outfit so that you guys can get some inspiration as well. And today I'm going to be using Plum Nature Studio Kajal for all my looks. So let's get started. This kajal is super smooth, so there is no room for error. For my first look, I'm wearing this orange organza kurta and pants set, which is really flattering and so easy breezy. Are you seeing the intensity of this kajal? It is so jet black. Perfect to enhance your eyes. As for the outfit, I have this beautiful white short kurta and palazzo pants set on with the gorgeous dupatta. It is really important to have a long-lasting kajal on, especially if you're going to be going out for Garba or for Dandiya nights. You don't want your kajal to move or slip or slide away. The only thing that should be moving is you to the tunes of the music. Hence, this kajal is going to be a perfect partner. I have worn this off-shoulder ghagra choli, which is the perfect Dandiya outfit. If you are going to be fasting this Navratra season, I would suggest you opt for an easy breezy cotton anarkali as it's so comfortable to wear, but ensure you add the drama back to your look by doing a doe wing liner. The right amount of drama can add all the oomph in your look, be it this gorgeous cat eyeliner or the shell detailing on the blouse. I'm all about tiny details like these. For the 6th day, I've opted for this beautiful applique green suit. It's just so gorgeous and I've kept my makeup very simple with this small lower lash line flick. Don't be afraid to experiment this Navratra season. For this look, I've opted for a fishtail liner look and I also have fish shell detailings on my suit. So it's these nice small tiny elements that tie the look together. We're going bold, bold and bold for the 8th day of Navratri with this look, which is an Egyptian liner look, and I'm wearing this gorgeous angarkha with dhoti pants. It's a really experimental look and it's really fun, perfect for Navratras. Another trend for this season is abstract liner. This one is really easy and the Nature Studio Kajal actually makes it easier because it's so pigmented in jet black and smudge proof. For this look, I'm wearing this peacock green split open kurti with dhoti pants. And with that, all 9 looks are done. I really hope this video got you a little excited for Navratri. I feel a smooth smudge-proof kajal should be on the top of your shopping list and the one that I have used would be linked in the bottom bar. For more how-tos and regimes, please make sure you subscribe, share this video and like it as well. Until we meet next time. Cheers! Be good!